Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Tennessee, United States. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency for investors living in Tennessee, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback link and code. Now, this is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, you can find all information about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and other coins. For example, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card or your debit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and articles. Now, firstly, we can click this button, List of Top Cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can find all information about cryptocurrencies, top cryptocurrencies. Yes, Ethereum, Bancor, Chiliz, Ripple, and Bitcoin, and others. Now, firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We can click this info button. In this page, we can get all information about Bitcoin. Now, how to buy Bitcoin with easiest way? Just one click. Let's go.